Test planning and documentation are essential components of the software testing process. They help ensure that the testing process is organized, thorough, and well documented. Here's an overview of test planning and documentation. Test planning contains: define objectives and scope. Begin by clearly defining the objectives of the testing effort. What are you trying to achieve with the testing, and what is the scope of the testing, e.g., which features or components will be tested? Identify test deliverables. Determine what documents and artifacts will be produced during the testing process. This may include test plans, test cases, test data, and test reports. Select testing techniques. Choose the testing techniques and methods that are most appropriate for the project. This could include manual testing, automated testing, performance testing, security testing, etc. Resource planning. Identify the resources required for testing, including personnel, hardware, software, and testing tools. Schedule and milestones. Create a testing schedule with milestones and deadlines. Ensure that testing activities align with the overall project timeline. Risk assessments. Identify potential risks that may impact the testing process and develop mitigation plans. Test environment setup. Ensure that the test environment is set up and ready for testing, including the necessary hardware, software, and configurations. Test documentation. Test plan. The test plan document outlines the overall testing strategy, objectives, scope, and resources. It also includes details on the testing approach, test deliverables, and schedules. Test cases. Test cases are detailed instructions that describe how specific test scenarios should be executed. They include preconditions, test steps, expected results, and any test data needed. Test data. Test data includes the input data or conditions needed to execute test cases. It should cover a range of scenarios, including boundary cases and edge cases. Test scripts for automated testing. If you're performing automated testing, document the test scripts or test code that will be used to automate the test cases. Defect reports. Document any defects or issues discovered during testing. Include information on the issue severity, steps to reproduce, and status, e.g., open, fix, closed. Test reports. After completing testing, generate test reports that summarize the testing results. These reports should include metrics, such as pass-fail rates, test coverage, and defect statistics. Traceability matrix. Create a traceability matrix to link test cases back to specific requirements or user stories. This ensures that all requirements have been adequately tested. Test logs. Maintain detailed logs of testing activities, including who performed the tests, when they were executed, and any issues encountered during testing. Test sign-off. Obtain formal sign-off from stakeholders, indicating their approval of the testing results and readiness for the next phase of the project. To conclude, effective test planning and documentation are critical for quality assurance and provide a clear record of the testing process, making it easier to track progress, identify issues, and communicate results to stakeholders. Attached are the samples of test plan and documentation. Format can vary from organization to organization. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.